Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Naitabla ng Delecio Green Archers ang final series sa 1-1 matapos patawbin ng UP Fighting Maroon sa finals game 2 ng UEP Season 86 Men's Basketball, 82-60. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Evanel sa kanyang 4 points, 12 rebounds, 10 assists, 5 steals. Nag-ambag naman ng 14 points si Iskandor, David 12 points, Austria 11 points, Kiambao 9 points. Michael Phillips 9 points, Mark Nonoy 8 points, Makalalag 7 points, Cortis 6 points. Para naman sa natalong UP Fighting Maroons, Cancino at Diop may tig 11 points, Alarcon 10 points, Lopez 9 points. Kagulangan at Felicelda may tig 6 points, Torcolas 4 points, Abadiano 3 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. December 6, 2023 nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Finals Game 3, maghaharap sa do-or-die game ang Delecio Green Archers at UP Fighting Maroons alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.